Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing Focus and a shortcut to swap your home screen. Open Settings and enable the Focus profile you'll use. Customize Allowed People and Apps so interruptions are controlled. Then open Shortcuts and build a new shortcut that sets the home screen pages or opens a designated app layout. Once done, save the shortcut and move to Personal Automation. Make sure this shortcut is ready to be triggered when the Focus turns on. Next, create the automation that links Focus to your home screen. Go to Personal Automation in Shortcuts, choose Focus, and select the exact profile you prepared. Add an action, run Shortcut, and pick the shortcut that applies the home screen changes. Make sure to toggle off Ask before running so it switches automatically. That removes prompts and keeps the flow. Test the automation by manually enabling the Focus to verify the home screen changes exactly as intended. Finish by testing and refining the setup. Enable the Focus and confirm the home screen changes immediately. If it doesn't happen, make sure Shortcuts has permission to run automations and that your shortcut targets the correct home screen pages or folders. Once corrected, retest a few times because timing can vary. A key troubleshooting tip: if automations still fail, restart the device or delete and recreate the automation. This often clears stuck permissions or glitches.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.